Eczema and dermatitis are common skin conditions that affect millions of people worldwide. While medical treatments are available, many individuals seek natural remedies to alleviate their symptoms and promote healthier skin. One such natural ally in this battle is the avocado. Avocado is renowned for its nutritional richness. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, avocados are not only a delicious addition to meals, but also a potent skincare ingredient. Here's some of the key nutrients in avocados that make them beneficial for eczema and dermatitis sufferers. Avocados are a fantastic source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from oxidative damage. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and resilience. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which provide deep moisture to the skin. These fats help create a protective barrier against external irritants and lock in hydration. So, let's explore its skincare advantages. 1. Moisturization and hydration. Avocado's creamy texture and healthy fats make it an excellent natural moisturizer. When applied topically, it can help combat the dryness and itchiness associated with eczema and dermatitis. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Eczema and dermatitis often involve skin inflammation. Avocado's high vitamin E content can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. 3. Enhanced skin barrier. The monounsaturated fats in avocados contribute to strengthening the skin's natural barrier. A robust skin barrier is crucial for preventing irritants and allergens from penetrating the skin, reducing the risk of flare-ups. Let's explore some simple DIY remedies you can make at home. 1. Avocado face mask. Mash half a ripe avocado. Optional. Add a teaspoon of honey or plain yogurt for extra moisture and soothing properties. Apply the mixture to clean, dry skin. Leave it on for 15–20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week to hydrate and calm your skin. 2. Avocado body cream. Blend 1 ripe avocado with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add a few drops of lavender or chamomile essential oil for a calming scent optional. Apply the cream to your body after a shower or bath. Massage it into your skin until fully absorbed. Use daily to maintain skin moisture. 3. Avocado hand balm. Mix 2 tablespoons of avocado oil with 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. Melt the mixture in a double boiler or microwave, stirring until well combined. Pour it into a small container and let it cool and solidify. Apply the balm to your hands, especially before bedtime, to alleviate dryness and discomfort. Conclusion. Avocado's nutritional richness and skincare benefits make it a valuable natural remedy for individuals dealing with eczema and dermatitis. While it may not replace medical treatments prescribed by dermatologists, incorporating avocado-based skincare into your routine can provide much-needed relief and support skin health.